Right, hello everybody. West India Quay is where I am starting, and I thought let me just do a lovely walk to Canary Wharf. Yes, on this Jubilee Sunday. Yes, and not many people around. Probably having hangovers or having a party. Whichever way you decide. Please like, share and subscribe. I just thought, you know what, it's the end of the half-term holidays. I'm not working tomorrow. Lucky, because there's going to be a massive tube strike. Yes. So, yeah, no journeys tomorrow, thank goodness. So, yeah. Thank you to everybody who has watched the Business Line videos. Much appreciated. Canary Wharf standing strong there, HSBC there, Barclays there. Lovely hotel, I think that's a Marriott. So just going over this bridge here. So believe you me, this area has changed immensely from 30 years ago. 25 years ago this area was a no-go area. Yes, it was. Now everybody wants to live here. It's a brilliant area, I'm not even going to lie. It is fantastic. The buildings are beautiful. The shops are nice. They do need to be a little bit more affordable. Now it's connected with the Elizabeth Line station just through there. But it's brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. Now you can see Old Tower Hamlets, New Tower Hamlets. Absolutely fantastic. Let's just keep going over this bridge. And I'll take you to, I think it's Cabot Place. So just going to keep going. Keep going. Oh gosh. Busy bee for me today. I am a busy bee. So here we go. This is one of the old office buildings that was built in the early 90s. This was, I think, came a bit later. So just going to go up these steps here. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Yeah. There is a new Amazon Fresh on the other side of this complex. If you are coming down here, yeah, Amazon Fresh. So by now you should know how Amazon Fresh works. Download the app, go to the basket icon, walk in and then walk out, and it will bill you later. So yeah, great. Oh, I don't think there's any traffic today. Oh, there's a little Jubilee party. So there's a little hallway, and here we have Canary Wharf, the jewel of London, or jewel of East London. Yeah, this area is beautiful. If you're ever in London, please check this area out. It is amazing. It is beautiful. And here, going into Cabot Place. This leads into the shopping centre. And it goes downwards, and the shopping centre extends. Then on the other side of the underground station, which is not in this area, there's another shopping centre. And that's fantastic. Yeah, so yeah. Shops. I'll go around the other side, you'll get to see more skyscrapers. Society General. We're going to get copyrighted. So here we go. Here we go. Going. And here on the other side, this is the South Colonnade, and Canary Wharf's still there. That's think you can see more skyscrapers down here. Yeah, at the other end of this street is a brand new area called West Wharf. Beautiful, nice little park area. Not that big, not that small, but not as crowded as the Jubilee Park. Yeah, that gets quite crowded. Yeah. Just walking down here. Building another skyscraper, or refurbishing another skyscraper. So, yeah. There's the DLR station. Railway, and there we go. More skyscrapers, or tall buildings incoming. I know. It has a very 1980s New York feel, this area. It's absolutely amazing. Please like, please share, and please subscribe.